Hello and welcome to pH Chemistry. Today's explainer is alkenes, unsaturated hydrocarbons with a carbon-carbon double bond. By the end of this video you'll know the formula, the bromine water test and the role alkenes play in making plastics. Alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons containing at least one carbon-carbon double bond. General formula CN-H2N. With the first three, ethene, propene, butene. They decolorize bromine water, turning it orange to colourless, and that's the test for the carbon-carbon double bond. They're used as the starting materials for plastics. Three things. 1. Unsaturated means at least one double bond. 2. They decolorize bromine water, the standard test. 3. They're the feedstock for addition polymerization, turning small monomers into long polymer chains. Common slip, getting the general formula wrong. Alkenes are CN-H2N, not CN-H2N plus 2. Two fewer hydrogens than the corresponding alkane because the double bond uses up that extra capacity. Quick example. Ethene, CH2H₄ has two carbons and one carbon-carbon double bond. With bromine, C2H4 plus Br2 goes to C2H4 Br2. Orange bromine water turns colourless because that's the carbon-carbon double bond opening up to add bromine across the bond. Right. If any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic in each of the subjects, with every answer fully worked and every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.